Hello and welcome to the Abhijit Sarkar GIS channel. And my name is Abhijit Sarkar, and I'm a GIS professional with several years of experience in the field. On this channel, we will explore a variety of GIS-related topics, including mapping, geospatial analysis, data visualization, and more. Whether you're a GIS professional, a student, or just someone who's interested in learning more about GIS, you will find something here that interests you. In addition to tutorials and how-to videos, we'll also share our experiences and insights from working in the GIS industry, and we'll provide tips and best practices for using GIS tools and software. So if you're ready to dive into the world of GIS, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave a comment below. Thanks for joining us on this journey. And let's get started installing PostgreSQL and using the PostGIS bundle to visualize Shapefile data. PostgreSQL is an open-source relational database management system, and PostGIS is a spatial extension that adds support for geographic objects to PostgreSQL. Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on installing PostgreSQL and using the PostGIS bundle to visualize Shapefile data. PostgreSQL is an open-source relational database management system, and PostGIS is a spatial extension that adds support for geographic objects to PostgreSQL. Once PostgreSQL is installed, we can now proceed to install PostGIS. PostGIS can be downloaded from the PostGIS website. Once downloaded, follow the installation wizard to install PostGIS on your system. To download the PostGIS bundle, we can navigate to the PostGIS website and select the appropriate version for our operating system. Once we have downloaded the bundle, we can extract the files to directory of our choice. To install the bundle, we need to open a command prompt or terminal window and navigate to the directory where the bundle was extracted. From here, we can run the installation script using the appropriate command for our operating system. During the installation process, we may be prompted to enter the location of our PostgreSQL installation as well as other configuration options. Once the installation is complete, we can verify that PostGIS is installed by connecting to our PostgreSQL database and running the select PostGIS version of command. To verify that PostGIS is installed and functioning correctly, we can connect to our PostgreSQL database using SQL clients such as Dagmin or the command line tool. Once we are connected, we can run the select PostGIS version of command to check the version of PostGIS that is installed. If PostGIS is installed correctly, we should see the version number returned in the output. If there are any errors or issues, we may need to troubleshoot the installation and configuration. To upload Shapefile data to PostGIS, we can use a tool such as root.org, which is a command line utility for converting between different Geospatial file formats. First, We need to create a new database table in our PostgreSQL database using the create table command, specifying the columns, data types that correspond to our Shapefile date. Next, we can use the algorithm utility to upload the Shapefile data to our newly created table. We need to specify the input file path and the target database table name, along with any relevant options such as the projection and data type conversion. To verify that the Shapefile data has been uploaded correctly, we can connect to our PostgreSQL database using SQL client and run a select from table main command, replacing table main with the name of our new database table. If the command returns data, we can be sure that the data has successfully. To connect GIS to our PostgreSQL database, we need to get a new database connection using the Add PostGIS Layers option in the browser panel. We need to specify the database name, host port, username, and password, along with any relevant options such as the seal mode. Once the connection has been established, we can browse the database tables and add them to our GIS project. We can then visualize the data using various styles and symbologies and perform Geospatial analysis using the wide range of tools and plugins available in GIS. To visualize Shapefile data in GIS, we can simply drag and drop the Shapefile into our GIS project. We can then style the data using various methods. To install GeoServer, we need to first download the software from the GeoServer website. We can choose the appropriate version based on our operating system. Once we have downloaded the software, we can follow the installation wizard to complete the installation process. During the installation process, we will be asked to select a port number for GeoServer to run on. The default port number is 8080. But we can choose a different port number if we wish. Once GeoServer is installed, we need to set up a new workspace. From here, we can click the the New Workspace button and enter a name for the new workspace. Once the workspace is created, we can add data stores and layers to it. To add a PostGIS data store to GeoServer, we need to navigate to the data stores page and click the Add New Store button. From here, we can select PostGIS as the type of data store and enter the connection details for our PostGIS database. Once the connection details are entered, we can test the connection and save the data store. We can then add layers to the data store and publish them as web services. In this tutorial, we covered the process of installing and using PostGIS, a popular Geospatial extension for PostgreSQL. We also learned how to install GeoServer, an open source server that allows us to serve Geospatial data as web services. Together, these tools provide a powerful platform for working with Geospatial data. We covered the basics of creating a database, creating a user, and granting privileges in PostgreSQL, as well as setting up a new workspace, adding a PostGIS data store in GeoServer. We also discussed how to visualize Shapefile data using GIS. And that concludes our video on installing and using PostGIS with GeoServer and GIS. We hope that you found this video informative and helpful in your Geospatial data analysis and visualization projects. Throughout this video, we covered a variety of topics, including installing and configuring PostGIS, downloading and installing the PostGIS bundle, uploading Shapefile data to PostGIS, and connecting GIS to our PostgreSQL database. By using these tools and techniques, you can easily manage and analyze your Geospatial data and create stunning visualizations that convey valuable insights and information. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.